TikTok live option is not showing even if you have 1K followers. To solve this issue, first of all, open your TikTok
White one, it was saying cute.
and then click on the profile, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, on the top right, you will see three lines. Hit on that and select Setting and Privacy. And if you go at the last, there you will see Report a Problem. Hit on that and then scroll down and select Submit a Report. From there, briefly explain your issue and write that you have more than 100 followers, but TikTok live option is not showing. Then click on the submit. Once it is done, your problem will be solved in 24 hours. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.